Hey everyone, so you're thinking about selling your home, huh? Well, before you put that for sale sign out front, let's talk about something super important: curb appeal. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, when I say curb appeal, I mean everything your potential buyers see when they first pull up to your house. It's like the cover of a book. If the cover looks amazing, people can't wait to see what's inside. First impressions matter. Did you know that buyers often make up their minds within the first few seconds of seeing a property? Yeah, it's that quick. So you want your home to make a stellar first impression. Start with the basics. Mow the lawn, trim the hedges, and make sure your walkway is clean and clear. It's simple stuff, but it makes a world of difference. Next, add some color. Planting flowers or adding potted plants can make your home look more inviting. Plus, it gives the impression that the house has been well loved and cared for. Don't forget the house itself. A fresh coat of paint on the front door can really pop. And if you've got the budget, consider updating those old house numbers or the mailbox. Little touches like these can really elevate the overall look. And let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can make your home look warm and welcoming, especially in the evening. Think about adding some solar lights along the walkway or updating the porch light. It's a small investment for a big return. Lastly, keep it tidy. Make sure your driveway is clear of any clutter and that your windows are sparkling clean. These little details show buyers that you care about your home and that it's worth their investment. So there you have it. Curb appeal isn't just about making your home look nice. It's about creating an inviting atmosphere that makes buyers feel at home before they even walk through the door. If you want to learn more, simply call me, Carl Bostic, at 786-693-2275. That's 786-693-2275, and I will personally go through everything you need to know. I'm Carl Bostic, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. I forward baseer for Spielweg and Bashir.